Replicated website overview. Hopefully by the end of this video, you'll understand how the replicated website works and how to access a member's replicated website. As an admin, from time to time, you're going to find the need to go to a replicated website. Okay, accessing the replicator. Once you log into your admin back office, you go to System, and you go to Website, and then you go to Manage Websites, and then you click on Website. Here is where you would have your main replicated website listed at. As a default, it will only be one in your back office. When you click on Manage Website to access the replicated web pages within this website, you want to click on the link Manage Website. This is where you're going to see a list of web pages that will consist of your website. Here is an example. You can see homepage, about us, contact me, back office login, and multiple other pages that you may have on your replicated website. Depending on if we configured your website for you, import it into the replicator, or we designed your website for you, this is where we would post your replicated web pages. If you click on homepage, here's where the homepage is stored, and you'll be able to make minor modifications to text and various other elements on your website. Now bear in mind, to fully make changes to your website, there's going to be some knowledge of HTML required. So if you have a broad understanding of HTML and how to upload files to the web server, because you're going to have to do that when you want to update pictures, photos that's on your website, you're going to have to update it, upload those files via FTP first, and then use the image path to place them on the web pages. Basically, you're going to have a basic understanding of HTML and how to build web pages in order to make changes. We recommend that the companies that operate our replicated websites have somebody on staff that understands this, or get our website design services. Preferences controls various preferences of your website. You want to click on website preferences in that link, and then you'll see a lot of the settings that controls the website, and from domain names to website name, languages switches. If the website is replicated for all users, or you want to specify which user has access to this specific website, you can do that. Country selection, which class rank has access to use this replicated website. If it's primary, then mostly all of your class ranks will have access to it. But if you have a secondary website that you're replicating, you can specify which class rank has access to those websites. You can put sponsor information on the website. You can put the latest signups on your website. You can enable or disable security or term confirmation settings here. You want to run a co-op program, you can do that here. You can specify how to develop the leads that come into a specific website. You can specify if a website is required for the visitor to enter a user ID. If the user ID is not present, then they will be given an option to be redirected to another user, or get sent directly to the company's website. And you would specify that here, who's the default user. If you want to enable hit tracking, you want to do short domain names such as username.companyname.com, you can do that. If this is disabled, then your URL will be a little longer. It'll be companyname.com/folder/username. So you can activate this and configure whatever domain method you want to use. So that's the preferences of the website replicator. You have store templates here. If you have the Light Advantage or the Professional, then you have access to activate the shopping cart, and that will provide shopping cart templates that you can edit as well. Content block, you can do search and replace. This is where if there's a certain word or term on the website that's on multiple places and you want to do a quick search and replace, you can do that. And if you want to make notes and remark on this replicator system, you can do that as well. And then notes and remarks only for administration, eyes only. You can specify your store preferences. By clicking there, you can name your store website, enable discount fields, checkout comment fields, security images. So there's various preferences that you can specify here on your store, how the pages are displayed on your home page, you want to list new releases, or you want to list featured items, or you want to list bestsellers on your home page, you can do that. So you can activate or deactivate various settings in your shopping cart. Side items, we call them pop-ups, but basically they're items. They're little boxes on the side that shows specials, discounts, items that are featured, items that are on sale. You can enable or disable those side items. You can show link displays on the side items as well. So you can specify a lot of information in the store, default information such as company information, so or order invoices, your company information would be automatically displayed on that. You can also change the header of the user back office and the admin back office. You can do that by clicking on user back office, and then you want to manage user back office. Go to preferences, click on show all on area 1, and here we can upload a new image that will replace the top header of your user back office. And you have other settings as well. If you want to change the color of your back office theme, you can play around with these and make various changes. Okay, so now once the website is been imported into the Replicator and you fine-tune how the web pages look, to access a sample of the replicated web pages, you can actually go to preview websites. Once you click on that, it'll give you a preview of what the website looks like from navigation to navigation. So this is how you access a replicated website system. So just give you an idea of what the website looks like. Of course, you gotta remember that to build websites in our replicator, you gotta have some knowledge of HTML. We recommend that you work with a web designer or you use our web design services. Okay, back to the user back office. Now, as a admin, you're talking to a user on the phone and you need to let them know what their replicated website URL is. Well, you can do that by going to People, Manage Account, IBO, and then let's just search for our user account. Click on the user, and once you go into this area, you can click on Website Preferences, and then Primary Website, and then this would be the URL that you can provide them to their personal replicated website. Or if you want to show them exactly where they can find it themselves, you can just log in as a user, go to My Website, click on Website here, go on Primary Website, and then in their user's back office, this is where they can get their replicated website URL. That is a quick overview of the website replicator, and hope this video has helped you, and thank you for using Plexum.